Beneath the vast skies of sub-Saharan Africa, where golden grasslands meet acacia-dotted plains, a shadow moves with ancient purpose. Towering over the grasses, walking with slow deliberation, a bird unlike any other commands the land, not through flight, but with thunderous voice and iron beak. This is the Southern Ground Hornbill, Africa's feathered sentinel. The Southern Ground Hornbill, Bucorvus ledbetteri, is the largest species of hornbill in the world, measuring up to 1.2 meters, 4 feet in length, and weighing between 3.5 to 6 kilograms, 7.7 to 13.2 pounds. What sets them apart is not just their impressive size, but their lifestyle. Unlike most hornbills, they are predominantly terrestrial. They are recognized instantly by their deep black plumage, dramatic red facial skin and long eyelashes, modified feathers that protect their eyes while foraging. Males and females look similar, but females often have a patch of blue on their throat. Southern ground hornbills inhabit eastern and southern Africa, from Kenya and Uganda down to South Africa and Namibia. They prefer open grasslands, savannas and lightly wooded habitats where visibility and access to prey are easier. However, their range is increasingly fragmented due to habitat loss. These birds are highly social, living in cooperative family groups, usually consisting of 2 to 12 individuals. A dominant breeding pair is supported by helper birds, often older offspring who delay dispersal for several years to assist with chick rearing. This cooperative breeding system is rare among birds and is critical for successful reproduction. Without these helpers, breeding success drops dramatically. Their calls, deep booming reverberations that can carry over 3 kilometers, are iconic, used to maintain territory and cohesion. The duet between a male and female is a powerful expression of pair bonding. Before dawn breaks, a haunting chorus ripples across the plains. It's not a lion or thunder in the distance, but a voice older than memory, the ground hornbill's song of the Savannah. Southern ground hornbills are apex avian predators in their environment. They are opportunistic hunters, feeding on a wide variety of prey including lizards and snakes, insects and spiders, small mammals like rodents, amphibians and even young tortoises or bird chicks. They use their massive beaks to dig through the soil, overturn logs and even dispatch venomous snakes. Breeding is an infrequent and delicate process. Nests are typically made in large cavities high in old trees or cliffs. The female lays 1 to 2 eggs, but usually only one chick survives. The other is often neglected or outcompeted. The incubation period is around 37 to 43 days, and fledging takes up to 90 days, with the chick remaining dependent for over a year, one of the longest post-fledging dependency periods of any bird. Because of this long cycle, they breed only every 3 to 5 years. In many African cultures, southern ground hornbills are revered and feared. They're seen as harbingers of rain or omens of death. Some tribes believe they have the power to communicate with spirits or bring divine warnings. This spiritual significance has helped in some areas where local taboos protect the bird. In others, however, they are persecuted or killed for traditional medicine, believed to bring clairvoyance or protection. Despite their majesty, southern ground hornbills are classified as vulnerable globally and endangered in South Africa. Their main threats include habitat loss due to agriculture and urbanization, souse, poisoning, both intentional and accidental, electrocution on power lines, persecution for superstitious beliefs, low reproductive rate limiting population recovery. Populations outside protected areas are plummeting. It's estimated that in South Africa, fewer than 1,500 individuals remain in the wild. Across Africa, dedicated conservationists are working to reverse the decline. Programs include supplemental feeding and artificial nests to encourage breeding, hand-rearing and reintroduction of chicks from second-laid eggs, education campaigns to reduce superstitious killings, research and monitoring of wild populations, and community-based conservation, involving locals as stewards of their environment. South African groups like the Mabula Ground Hornbill Project are at the forefront of these efforts. They have walked this land for millions of years, sounding their call before mankind ever shaped words. As long as there is wilderness, there is hope. The southern ground hornbill is not just a bird, It is the voice of Africa's soul, striding forward, proud and wild. In the heart of Africa, survival hangs by a feather. One call could mean safety or silence forever. The Southern Ground Hornbill is more than just a striking bird. It is an ecosystem engineer. These birds play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their habitat. GAP-1.5S. As they forage through the grasslands, they control insect populations, reducing pests that could otherwise devastate plant life. Their predation on small mammals and reptiles helps keep these populations in check, ensuring a balanced ecosystem. GAP-1.5AS. Ground hornbills also contribute to the health of the soil. By digging and probing with their powerful beaks, they aerate the ground, promoting nutrient cycling and supporting plant growth. This in turn benefits other species that rely on healthy vegetation for food and shelter. Even their nesting habits have far-reaching impacts. Abandoned nests in hollow trees provide crucial shelter for other animals, from small birds to mammals. The presence of ground hornbills signals a thriving, diverse environment. OS. In the intricate web of life on the African savannah, the southern ground hornbill is a keystone species. Their survival is intertwined with the health of the entire ecosystem, making their conservation all the more critical. The southern ground hornbill, with its striking red face and formidable beak, is a master of the 5S. These birds are opportunistic carnivores, feeding on a wide variety of prey, including insects, small mammals, reptiles, and even other birds. GAP-1.5S. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from a distance, and their powerful legs enable swift pursuit. 5S. Once they identify a target, ground hornbills employ a combination of stealth and power. They use their strong beaks to probe the ground, flush out hidden insects, or deliver a lethal strike to small animals. GAP-1.5S. Their hunting technique is both precise and efficient, ensuring minimal energy expenditure for maximum gain. 1.5S. Insects such as grasshoppers and beetles form a significant part of their diet, especially during the breeding season when they need to provide high-protein food for their chicks. Small mammals like rodents are also on the menu, showcasing the bird's versatility and adaptability. 5S. Ground hornbills are known to work in pairs or small groups, coordinating their movements to flush out and capture prey more effectively. This cooperative hunting strategy increases their success rate and strengthens the social bonds within the family. OS. In the grand theatre of the African savannah, the southern ground hornbill stands as a formidable predator. Its diet and hunting techniques are testament to its adaptability and survival prowess. 2.0S. As we delve deeper into the life of this remarkable bird, we uncover the intricate layers of its existence, each one vital to the balance of the ecosystem it calls home. The southern ground hornbill, though a formidable predator, is also a key player in the intricate web of the African savannah's ecosystem. 5S. These birds often interact with a variety of other species, both as competitors and as participants in a complex ecological dance. 5S. One of the most fascinating interactions is with large herbivores like elephants and buffaloes. As these massive creatures move through the grasslands, they disturb insects and small animals, providing the ground hornbill with easier access to prey. 5S. This symbiotic relationship highlights the interconnectedness of the savannah's inhabitants. Ground hornbills are also known to follow in the wake of bushfires. As the flames drive insects and small animals out of hiding, the birds take advantage of the chaos to snatch up fleeing prey. This opportunistic behavior showcases their adaptability and resourcefulness. 5S. However, not all interactions are beneficial. Ground hornbills must compete with other predators such as jackals and large birds of prey. These rivals often target the same food sources, leading to tense encounters and fierce competition. 5S. Despite these challenges, the southern ground hornbill maintains its role as both predator and participant in the savannah's dynamic ecosystem. Its interactions with other species, whether cooperative or competitive, underscore the delicate balance that sustains life in this remarkable landscape. 0S. As we continue to explore the world of the southern ground hornbill, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complex relationships that define their existence and the intricate tapestry of life on the African savannah. GAP-1.5S. Nesting is one of the most critical and challenging aspects of the southern ground hornbill's life. These majestic birds often choose large trees or cliffs to build their nests, seeking safety and elevation. 5S. However, finding an appropriate nesting site is becoming increasingly difficult due to deforestation and habitat loss. 5S. Once a suitable site is located, the female lays 1 to 3 eggs, but usually only one chick survives, Gap-1.5S. This phenomenon, known as siblicide, is a harsh reality of nature where the stronger chick often outcompetes its siblings for food and parental attention. 5S. The surviving chick is nurtured with great care as it represents the future of the species. Ground hornbill parents are incredibly dedicated, with both the male and female taking turns to feed and protect their young. Gap-1.5S. Despite their best efforts, the survival rate of chicks is low, with many falling prey to natural predators or succumbing to environment. 1.5S. This underscores the importance of conservation efforts aimed at preserving their habitats and ensuring the availability of suitable nesting sites. The nesting challenge of the southern ground hornbill is a poignant reminder of the fragile balance of nature and the relentless struggle for survival in the 1.5S. Through understanding and protecting these nesting habits, we can help secure a future for this iconic species. Gap-2.0S. Gap-1.5S. While the southern ground hornbill faces numerous challenges, there are glimmers of hope and success stories emerging from dedicated conservation efforts. 5S. Across Africa, passionate conservationists and local communities are joining forces to protect these remarkable birds. Gap-1.5S. One such initiative is the Mabula Ground Hornbill Project in South Africa, which focuses on research education and the reintroduction of captive-bred hornbills into the wild. 5S. By monitoring and supporting these reintroduced birds, conservationists are gaining invaluable insights into their behavior and needs. Furthermore, local communities play a crucial role as they are often the first line of defense against habitat destruction and poaching. Through education and engagement, these communities are learning to coexist with the hornbills, fostering a sense of pride and stewardship. 5S. In some regions, artificial nest boxes are being installed to address the shortage of natural nesting sites, providing a safe haven for breeding pairs. These efforts are already showing promising results with increased chick survival rates and growing populations in certain areas. 5S. The story of the southern ground hornbill is not just one of struggle, but also of resilience and hope. 5AS. It is a testament to what can be achieved when humans unite in the cause of conservation, proving that even the most endangered species can be given a fighting chance. 5S. The southern ground hornbill holds a revered place in the cultural tapestry of many African tribes. Known for their striking appearance and powerful presence, these birds are often regarded as messengers from the spirit world. In some cultures, the hornbill is believed to bring rain, symbolizing life and fertility. Tribal elders recount ancient stories where the hornbill's call heralds the arrival of the rainy season and the renewal of the land. The Zulu people, for instance, see the hornbill as a protector, its booming voice warding off evil spirits and safeguarding the community. 5S. In other regions, the bird's feathers and bones are used in traditional ceremonies believed to bestow blessings and good fortune. These cultural connections highlight the deep respect and admiration that many African tribes hold for the southern ground hornbill. 5S. By preserving these birds, we not only conserve a species but also safeguard a rich cultural heritage that has been passed down through generations. The hornbill's significance goes beyond the ecological, intertwining with the very identity and traditions of the people who share its land, but an acoustic wonder. 5S. Their vocalizations are a complex language, a symphony of sounds that echo across the 5S. These deep, resonant calls can travel up to 3 kilometers, a testament to their powerful vocal cords. Each call has a distinct purpose, from marking territory to signaling danger. The duet between male and female hornbills is a mesmerizing exchange, a bonding ritual that strengthens their pair bond. 5S. Researchers have documented over 60 different sounds in their repertoire, each with its own meaning and context. The booming calls at dawn are perhaps the most iconic, announcing the beginning of a new day and the presence of the family units. Juvenile hornbills learn these vocalizations from their parents, a form of cultural transmission that ensures the continuity of their complex communication systems. By understanding these vocalizations, scientists can gain insights into the social dynamics and behaviors of these remarkable birds. 1.5S. The southern ground hornbill's language is a testament to their intelligence and adaptability, a crucial aspect of their survival in the wild. 5S. In preserving their habitat and ensuring their protection, we are also safeguarding their unique voice in the orchestra of nature. 1.5SS. The life cycle of the Southern Ground Hornbill is a testament to resilience and endurance. 5S. From the moment an egg is laid, it embarks on a journey fraught with challenges and triumphs. 5S. Incubation lasts around 40 days, with both parents sharing the responsibility, a rare trait among birds. 5S. Once hatched, the chick is entirely dependent on its parents for food and protection. 1.5S. These early months are critical, with only one chick typically surviving to fledge, a stark reminder of nature's harsh realities. As juveniles, hornbills remain with their family unit for several years, learning essential survival skills. It takes about 6 years for them to reach maturity, a slow growth process that underscores the importance of their long lifespan. Southern ground hornbills can live up to 70 years in the wild, making them one of the longest-lived bird species. This longevity allows them to form deep social bonds and pass down knowledge across generations. 5S. However, this extended life cycle also makes them vulnerable to environmental changes and human threats. Protecting these majestic birds means ensuring they have the time and space to complete their lives. 1.5S. In understanding their journey from egg to elder, we gain a deeper appreciation for their role in the ecosystem and the intricate balance of life in the African savannah. 2.0S. 2.0S. As the world around them shifts, the Southern Ground Hornbill proves to be a master of adaptation. 1.5S. Despite facing habitat loss, climate change, and human encroachment, these resilient birds find ways to survive. 1.5S. Hornbills have been observed altering their foraging patterns to cope with changing food availability. 1.5S. They venture into new territories, sometimes even near human settlements in search of sustenance. Their diet, once primarily insects and small animals, now includes more diverse sources, showcasing their adaptability. In drier seasons, they rely on their keen sense of sight and hearing to locate hidden water sources, ensuring their survival during droughts. The Southern Ground. Hornbills' nesting strategies have also evolved, with some pairs opting for alternative nesting sites when traditional tree cavities are scarce. These intelligent birds have even been seen using man-made structures to raise their young, a testament to their ingenuity. 1.5. However, adaptation alone isn't enough. They need our support to thrive in an increasingly fragmented world. 1.5S. Conservation efforts must focus on creating safe habitats, mitigating human-wildlife conflict, and ensuring that these remarkable birds continue to roam the savannah. 1.5S. By understanding and supporting their adaptive strategies, we can help secure a future where the Southern Ground Hornbill remains a vital part of Africa's natural heritage. 2.0S. The Southern Ground Hornbill is more than just a resilient survivor. It plays a pivotal role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. These birds are natural pest controllers, consuming insects and small animals that could otherwise become overwhelming in numbers. By keeping the populations of these creatures in check, they help to maintain a balanced food web. Additionally, their foraging habits contribute to soil aeration and nutrient distribution, promoting healthier plant growth. As they dig for insects and small prey, they turn the soil, allowing air and water to penetrate deeper, which benefits the vegetation. Their presence also influences the behavior of other species, creating a dynamic and interconnected web of life on the savannah. 5S. Predators and scavengers often follow hornbills, knowing that these birds can lead them to potential food sources. 5S. In this way, the Southern Ground Hornbill acts as an ecosystem engineer, shaping the environment in ways that benefit many other species. 1.5S. Their role in the ecosystem is a testament to the intricate balance of nature, where every species, no matter how small, has a critical part to play. 1.5S. Protecting the Southern Ground Hornbill means preserving the delicate equilibrium of the African savannah, ensuring that this vibrant landscape continues to thrive for generations to come. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel and spread awareness about the majestic Southern Ground Hornbill. Each life saved is a drumbeat against silence. Each bird returned a note in nature's vanishing symphony.